In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about Gloverian approach. A.H.T. Glover in his book New Teaching for a New Age criticized Harvardian step on the ground that they are stereotyped, give less scope for the pupil activity and fail to motivate students. If at all suitable, the Harvardian pattern is suitable in the case of academic subjects and the verbal child. Gloverian scheme is based on the following four main points. First is questioning, second is discussion, third is investigation, and fourth is pupil activity. Main points. Questioning. By conscious process of good questioning, an intelligent teacher can lead his pupil through unfamiliar regions to a desired destination. The teacher should ask questions at different stages of the lesson. He should also encourage students to ask questions. Discussion. For this purpose, it is better to divide the class into groups. The discussion should be directed in such a way as students are encouraged to express their ideas freely. Discuss should help the student to remove their difficulties. Investigation. Investigation may be individual or group investigation. The students are required to investigate on the topic selected. Expression. This will be the last step. This should be in the form of practical activities. Glover classified this as passive. Here emphasis is on observing and listening. Active. Activities may take the form of handwork, craft work, gardening, drawing, etc. Artistic or recreative. This includes activities like dancing, music and acting. And organizational. This aspect may be present in the above activities. Now try this. Prepare a detailed lesson plan on any of the topics related to the current syllabus of your favorite school subject of your state following Glover's approach.